this fast. As you take it back, nigga, let's reverse it. Let me go as fast as I can. Nigga, whoa, what the fuck was that? That shit didn't rhyme. It wasn't real whack. That shit, nigga, fucking got stuck on Max back. Talk about Max back every day.
Oh. Here it is, yep. And I'm so glad that I'm on the flow. I'm the first on this shit.
It's first on that shit, Jay.
Yep. It's about to get real smooth up in this fucking bitch. About to whip it out. About to fucking not snitch. These bitches don't know what's up. They turn it around and they take it in they butts. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I'm kicking it with 6 of the coolest dudes. That's what's going on. That's what we do. We hanging out tonight. Hella drunk off this harvest moon. That shit is right. Oh yeah, and we fucking hit that Crondo. It's got me feeling like Putty and Bondo. I feel like I could fix any fucking thing. Bitch, please, you can't give me a ding. I'm like, what the fuck you got to say? Cause I will always motherfucking spray. Yeah, I said it, and I can stop that beat real quick and bring it back to you. Make you feel not slick. You look like a trick to fucking me. And I can see right through you. You transparent, B. I'm let you know what the fuck is going on. No, but hey, what's going on? I ain't talking shit, but your semi-truck back is blocking the fucking side of my motherfucking peripheral. I'm like, man, can I get by? But you turn your blinker on. You look by. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I'm just trying to get to California, man. It's what's going on. Tupac and Biggie is what's up. Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, cause it's way better than that right now. Cause I'm about the motherfucking clown who wants to fucking get on the fucking mic and fucking beat it up like some fucking pussy, right? Yeah, Mac, what you doing? You look like you fucking spewing. Please stop that fucking shit with that fake blunt. We need the real fucking shit. I'm talking about the Crondo shit. Darnell.
That's that shit.
Hey, dude, I got something to ask you, not you, but I'm talking about Duke. What do you think back then you talking about I ain't looking at you? I don't like looking at ugly niggas. I'm looking at like them bitches that I like to fuck. It ain't imaginary, but it's imaginary to me because I just passed into the street after I fuck them like that and this and skeet. Nigga, I do that shit like that. You know, niggas don't know it's nothing. It ain't nothing. I get bitches like this and bitches like that because, man, I get bitches that's small and bitches that's fat. I don't give a fuck because when I wake up in the morning, they wake up, nigga, cook me some breakfast and moaning and groaning, talking about I'm hungry, bitch. She gonna already cook me something. I'm like, yeah, bitch, that's what I'm talking about, cause I'm hungry, bitch. You know what I'm saying? You mad at the bitch, just cause I gotta say that shit. Just gotta say that shit. Hey, yeah, you next, I don't give a